Hi friend, today I will show you how to make stair and round stair. So first of all you check the dimension of straight stair 2 meter and this side is 3 meter, and take the rectangle command and specify first point where you need to place and given dimension. Now move this one and bring on the front of display. Now explode this object because we making this landing. Take the offset is 1 meter and 20 centi, and now making steps 30 centi. Use offset command for this. Now we divide this one by line command. Now this stair is complete. Now we will making 2D plan for circular stair, round stair. So given the radius of the circle, and now making another circle and inside. So find the center of this circle and given the dimension of 20 centi. Now we divide this circle by steps. So div use for shortcut command for division. We making just 10 piece of this and inside 10 piece. Now go to the format menu and select the point style, and you select each of this one. We select this and OK. Now the point is clear to appear, so use line command and draw the line in here. One by one you complete this one. Space key also used for previous command. Now we making steps. Complete the step, then going to again formats and change the point style. No, when they complete 2D plan. So now use boundary command for convert 2D to 3D. Shortcut key is BO. Pick the point and select one steps and landing, and here select the steps. Now use move command. Move this boundaries. When can't show here is box, so use erase command for remove one line, and now use move command. Here show the box of landing, and select one step in here and move to this one. Now convert to 3D, so changing the view to isometric, and now use command extrude, shortcut key EXT. Select all of them and giving the thickness of steps, we provide 0.15 15 centi, and now use first the count of steps before the landing. And now coming here and use command copy, select the steps and this bottom and place on the top of the steps. When your steps is complete before the landing, then cancel this one and change the view because we need it to landing bottom. Changing this view, now the bottom is clear to appear. So move command use and select the bottom and place here. Now changing the view and select this object and placing here. 2 more steps we needed. How many steps you needed, just making here. The steps is depend of height of slab. Now you're looking, your stair is complete. Now we will make the round stair. So first of all, copy the steps. We needed steps more. Now use command for here, alignment command, AL shortcut key for round stair. Select the object and specify first point to connect here, and then double enter. So now your steps is completely placed where you need. Again use elite command, AL, specify first point and second point, the bottom of step and the top of steps. So now your 3 step is complete. We needed more steps, so copy this 3, placing where you need to clear your base is up here for the selections. So alignment command use and the bottom of the steps and the top of the steps and double enter. So this your 6th step is complete. Making, we needed more steps, but first watch this round on the top. So changing the color of steps and now changing view. We needed more 6 steps, so copy the steps and move, placing here. And now alignment command use, AL is shortcut key, and select the object and first point and second point and click the double enter. Space key also you use. Now you watch, this is your round stair is prepared. Also views, top view. So your circle is complete. So how many steps you needed, you just use this method.